Few days back, I have created a video on how to calculate MACD in Google Sheets and how to get buy and sell signal from it. I have also asked everyone on what they want next. I have got some replies like number 1, create it for ATF. Number 2, provide all indicators in one Google Sheet. Number 3, try analyzing the EMA, MACD and RSI buy sell stock signal indicators in one Google Sheets. And number 4, if possible, add the Nifty 200 stocks. So today I'm going to show you one Google Sheets with multiple indicators, and that too for Nifty 250 stocks. So this is the sheet which I have where the name is buy and sell signal based on MACD, RSI and SMA crossover. Okay, so if you can see that I have this serial number from 1 to all the way to 250. So that means I have all the 250 Nifty 250 stocks in this, and then the company name, the industry and the NSE symbol. Okay, so now we have this MACD buy and sell signal. Here it will give you if you have to buy, sell or hold based on the MACD. So if you want to know how we are calculating this, you can refer to this earlier video which I have created. Okay, so there I have shown how you can actually create the Google Sheets on calculating the MACD. Okay, and so I have created the same calculation. I have got the same calculation from that sheet out here again. So this is fine, like we are getting this indicator out here, and then we have RSI. Okay, so this is nothing but what is the current RSI of the stocks, and then we have RSI buy and sell signal. For this current RSI, I have created earlier video where I am showing how to calculate the RSI in the Google Sheet. I will link it in the description also. Now in this indicator, what I am doing is I am saying what is the indicator for buy and what is the indicator for sell. So simple, if the RSI of any stocks is less than 30, it's a buy signal, and if it is more than 70, it's a sell signal. But again, it's a customizable. So say for example, if you don't want 30, if you want say 25, you can change it here 25, and then you will get only the buy signal if it is below 25. Similarly, if you don't want the sell signal for 70, you want it for 80, you can change it, and then you will only get the sell signal if it is more than 80. See, none of the stocks have more than 80, so you will not get any sell signal. You can change it to 75, and then again see for Vedanta it's 77, and that's why it's a sell signal. Okay, so it's a customizable, you can customize according to your need. Okay, now then I'm calculating the current price, 52-week low, 52-week high. For 52-week low and 52-week high, what I'm doing is I am giving one more indicator that the current price is how much near to its 52-week low and 52-week high. This is again a simple indicator where what we are saying is if the current price is very near to its 52-week low, then buy, and if it is very near to its 52-week high, just sell the stocks. Okay, so as you can see, the difference between current market price and 52-week low and 52-week high, this I have given 2. Why 2? Because I am checking if the difference in percentage between the current price and 52-week low is less than 2%, then it's a buy, and if it is more than 2%, it's just a hold. Similarly, if the current price is the difference in percentage between 52-week high and current price is less than 2%, then it's a sell signal, and if it is more than 2%, then it's a hold itself. Okay, so as you can see, the current price is 1045. Okay, and the 52-week high is 1055%. So the difference in percentage is less than 2%, and that's why it's a sell signal. Similarly, for ITC, the current price is 324.95 and 52-week low is 321. So it's a buy signal. Okay, again, this is also customizable. That means I can change from 2% to 1%. That means if it is very near, then only buy and sell. So as you can see, 1045 and 1055, it's very near to its 52-week low, sorry, 52-week high, and that's why it's a sell signal. And as you can see, Adani 1978 is very near to its 52-week low, that is 1964. That's why it's a buy signal. Similarly, you will get for all the Nifty 250 stocks. Okay. So again, I'll change it to 2, which is a default one. And then I have also calculated the previous close. That means if today's market is working, that means what was the yesterday's close as well as what is the today's open price. Okay, this is needed to get this SMA buy and sell signal. I'll tell you what exactly, how are we calculating this buy and sell signal. Before that, we are also calculating the SMA 5, SMA 50 and SMA 200. This is nothing but simple moving average. The last 5 days simple moving average. What is the simple moving average of last 5 days? Similarly, simple moving average of 50 days and simple moving average of 200 days. Again, this is customizable. You can change it to 10 and this SMA 10 gets calculated and SMA buy and sell signal changes accordingly. And again, you can change it to 20 as well. So this SMA gets changed and the buy and sell signal changes. Okay, so I will go back to 5. Similarly, you can change this 50 also, 200 also. Okay, now so how are we calculating SMA? It's simple. We are taking the last 5 days of say for example Reliance Industry last 5 days and taking the average of that 5 days. Similarly, for SMA 50 we are taking the last 50 days average, and that is nothing but simple moving average of simple moving average 50. And for SMA 200 we are taking the last 200 average and we are getting the SMA 200. Okay, you can change it to 10, 20, whatever you feel like. Okay. For SMA buy and sell signal, what we are doing is, I'll tell about buy. Okay, for buy signal what we are doing is we are checking if the current price, okay, the current price is greater than its SMA 5, it's greater than SMA 50, it's greater than SMA 200, as well as the previous close. The current price is greater than previous close as well as the current price is greater than open price, it's a buy signal. And the sell signal is just opposite of this. If the current price is less than SMA 5, is less than SMA 50, is less than SMA 200, as well as it's less than previous close, and if it's less than open price, it's a sell signal. Okay, so we are checking all these 5 conditions, that is previous close, open price, SMA 5, SMA 50 and SMA 200. Now say for example you don't want to check SMA 5 because it's only 5 days, right? So you want to change it to 20. So what happens is that even after SMA 20, if you see the current price is less than SMA 20, SMA 50 and SMA 200, that's why it's a sell signal. Okay, so I'll change it back to 5. Okay, so this is the indicator which I have created in Google Sheets, where you are getting 4 indicators: MACD buy and sell signal, RSI buy and sell signal, percentage difference between current market price and 52-week low and 52-week high, as well as the SMA buy and sell signal. Okay, as well as it's just the work in progress. So if I am creating any more Google Sheets for any more indicators, I will be adding that in this sheet. What I'm trying to do with this sheet is that I'm trying to create this as a master sheet for all the indicators, so that I don't have to go anywhere. I can come here and see if I'm getting the buy signal from most of them. So might be the MACD is not giving the buy signal, RSI is giving the buy signal, this is not giving the buy signal, as well as the SMA is not giving the buy signal. When most of them are giving the buy signal, it is truly a buy signal. Say for example ITC. Okay, if you see the MACD is giving a buy signal, RSI is giving a buy signal, current difference between 52-week low and 52-week high is giving a buy signal. So but SMA is not giving the buy signal. Why? Because as of now ITC is going down. SMA will only give the buy signal when the stock is going up from its SMAs. Okay, so Might be this MACD, RSI, and current market price difference between 52-week low and 52-week high is opposite of SMA, but still you can get fair idea on which stock you can buy and which stock you can actually not buy as of now, or if you have already bought, you can sell that stock. Okay, so that's it as of now. If you have any questions, do let me know. If you want any addition along with these four indicators, if you want any addition to this sheet, do let me know. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more insights like this. Thank you.